Hello, Bittorrent token holders. How are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, guys. So once again, I'm talking about the Bittorrent price update. What's the price? What's the price changes occur in the Bittorrent token? Let me show you guys. But before starting this video, guys, please make sure to subscribe our channel for more news and update videos, guys. Let's start the video and let's go ahead, guys. Now guys, the right now price of Bitcoin token in the market is about 0.003308 USD dollar. That is the right now price of Bitcoin token, guys. Furthermore, if you study the changes update of BTT token, so now and the changes update is also going negative. Last 1 hour update is negative, last 1 day, last 1 week, guys. Simply the whole update, the whole changes occur, and a Bittorrent token is now negative, guys. But that's not mean that you decide to sell. A lot of people when see a small fall, so they decide to sell, but that's not good. Let's see the price chart now, guys. You can see here from price chart also that's clear that BTT falls for a long time. But in the latest situation, if you look to 25 September, so I think now BTT start pumping, but slowly, not a quick tempo occur in the Bitcoin token. Slowly, gradually, the BTT start moving upward, guys. And I believe, guys, that now it is the beginning of a huge pump. And again, I'm telling you that in the 1st October, in the beginning of October, there is 80% chances, 80% possibilities that BTT will continue a huge pump, guys. So this is why I'm telling you that please hold. And if you want to buy, so I think now the price of BTT is very cheap. So if you want to buy, so that's good, buy now, guys. Anyways, the last 1 week changes is negative 14%, but very soon this update will become positive, guys. And guys, tell me in the comment box, how do you feel today about Bitcoin token and what is your prediction, guys? Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more news and update videos.